One small step, a giant leap for conspiracy. On July 20th, 1969, the world watched in awe as Neil Armstrong became the first human to set foot on the moon. This momentous occasion, a pinnacle of human achievement, marked the culmination of the Apollo 11 mission. The grainy images of Armstrong's descent, his iconic words echoing across the cosmos, and the planting of the American flag on the lunar surface are etched into our collective memory. Yet, even as we celebrate this triumph, a shadow of doubt lingers for some. Conspiracy theories, like phantoms in the vastness of space, question the validity of this historic event. Did we really land on the moon, or was it all an elaborate hoax, staged to win a political battle in the midst of the Cold War? These questions, though seemingly absurd, have persisted for decades. Fueled by speculation and misinformation, they challenge the very foundation of our understanding of history and scientific progress. This essay delves into the heart of these conspiracy theories, examining the evidence, the arguments, and the enduring legacy of Apollo 11. Join us as we embark on a journey to separate fact from fiction, exploring the science, the history, and the importance of critical thinking in an age of information overload. Let us venture beyond the shadows of doubt and celebrate the indomitable spirit of human exploration that propelled us to the moon and continues to drive us towards the stars.
To understand the genesis of the Apollo 11 conspiracy theories, we must first journey back to the turbulent era of the Cold War. The world was locked in a tense standoff between the United States and the Soviet Union, two superpowers vying for global dominance. This rivalry extended beyond earthly borders and into the cosmos, igniting the space race. Every successful launch, every orbit, every milestone achieved in space became a symbolic victory in this high-stakes competition. The Soviet Union struck first, launching Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite, in 1957. This event sent shockwaves through the United States, triggering a surge in technological development and scientific investment. The race was on, and the ultimate prize was the moon. Landing a man on the lunar surface became a national obsession, a tangible symbol of technological prowess and a testament to the superiority of each nation's political ideology.
Amid the fervor of the space race, seeds of doubt were sown. Conspiracy theories, often born from fear, uncertainty, or a distrust of authority, began to circulate. These theories, whispered in hushed tones and shared through clandestine pamphlets, questioned the authenticity of the Apollo 11 mission. Their central claim, the moon landing, was a hoax, staged by the US government to secure a victory in the Cold War. Proponents of these theories pointed to various inconsistencies in the official narrative, fueling public skepticism. Among the most popular claims were photographic anomalies, such as the lack of stars in the lunar sky and the waving American flag in the supposed vacuum of space. Others questioned the technical feasibility of the mission, citing the limitations of 1960s technology. These doubts, though lacking scientific merit, gained traction among a segment of the population, casting a long shadow over one of humanity's greatest achievements.
Let's address the photographic anomalies often cited by conspiracy theorists. The absence of stars in the lunar photographs, for instance, is not evidence of a studio set. It's simple physics. The lunar surface, illuminated by the sun, is incredibly bright. To capture a clear image of the astronauts and the landscape, cameras had to use fast shutter speeds and small apertures. These settings, necessary for proper exposure, wouldn't allow for the faint light of distant stars to be captured. The waving flag is another misconception. The flag was mounted on a telescoping pole with a horizontal crossbar to give it a full appearance. The wrinkles and ripples, mistaken for movement, are simply the result of the flag being folded during transport and unfurling in the lunar environment. No wind is needed to create this effect, just basic physics and the properties of fabric. Section 5. The limits of technology. Addressing the technical claims. Some conspiracy theorists argue that the technology of the 1960s was insufficient to land humans on the moon and return them safely to Earth. They claim that computers were too primitive, the radiation belts surrounding Earth too dangerous, and the complexity of the mission beyond human capability. However, this ignores the incredible ingenuity and collaborative effort that went into the Apollo program. Thousands of engineers and scientists worked tirelessly for years, developing innovative technologies and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. The computers, while less powerful than today's smartphones, were specifically designed for the mission's critical tasks. The spacecraft was equipped with radiation shielding, and the mission was meticulously planned to minimize risks. Section 6. Expert Voices. Scientists weigh in. The scientific community is unanimous. We landed on the moon. Independent researchers and experts worldwide have studied the evidence, confirming the authenticity of the Apollo missions. The Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, launched in 2009, has captured high-resolution images of the Apollo landing sites, clearly showing the descent modules, rovers, and even the tracks left by the astronauts' footsteps. These images provide irrefutable proof, silencing the skeptics and reaffirming the reality of this historic achievement. To deny the moon landing is to deny a mountain of scientific data and the consensus of the global scientific community.
Section 7. Thinking Beyond the Moon. The Importance of Critical Thinking. The persistence of the Apollo 11 conspiracy theories underscores a crucial point: the importance of critical thinking in the digital age. We are bombarded with information, some accurate, some misleading, and some outright false. It's imperative to approach information with a healthy dose of skepticism, to question sources, to seek evidence, and to avoid accepting claims at face value. Critical thinking empowers us to discern truth from falsehood, to navigate the complexities of the digital landscape, and to form informed opinions based on reason and evidence.
Section 8. A Legacy of Inspiration. The Enduring Impact of Apollo 11. The Apollo 11 mission, regardless of the doubters, left an enduring legacy. It ignited the imaginations of generations, inspiring countless individuals to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The technological advancements born from the space race continue to shape our world, from satellite communication and GPS navigation to medical imaging and materials science. The Apollo program demonstrated the power of human collaboration, uniting nations in a shared goal of exploration and discovery. It serves as a timeless reminder of what we can achieve when we dare to dream big, to push the boundaries of human ingenuity, and to venture into the unknown.
Section 9. The Power of Proof, Evidence versus Speculation. The Apollo 11 conspiracy theories highlight the stark contrast between evidence-based reasoning and unfounded speculation. While it's healthy to question and to seek understanding, it's crucial to ground our beliefs in evidence. Conspiracy theories often rely on conjecture, hearsay, and misinterpretations of data, lacking the rigorous scrutiny of scientific inquiry. They thrive on suspicion and distrust, eroding our shared understanding of history and undermining the integrity of scientific knowledge.
Section 10. Beyond the Conspiracy, Celebrating Human Achievement. Instead of getting mired in conspiracy theories, let us celebrate the incredible achievement of the Apollo 11 mission. Let us marvel at the ingenuity, the courage, and the unwavering determination of the individuals who made this dream a reality. Let us honor their legacy by embracing critical thinking, by supporting scientific exploration, and by inspiring future generations to reach for the stars.
Section 11. Keep looking up, a final word. The next time you gaze up at the moon, remember the human spirit that soared through the vastness of space to reach its surface. Remember the dedication, the innovation, and the unwavering pursuit of knowledge that propelled us to that distant world. Let the moon serve as a beacon of inspiration, a reminder of our boundless potential, and a call to keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep reaching for the stars. The universe awaits, filled with wonders yet to be discovered.